Hey guys, welcome back to another tech unboxing. In this tech unboxing, I have a executive wireless charging speaker it's a Bluetooth speaker that has wireless charging. Yeah, that's good because my wireless charger broke. And yeah, let's unbox it. I got it for free from somewhere. And yeah, let's see how to open this. How do you open this? What the heck? Something like that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, too much tape. Jeez. Everything has too much tape. Ooh. What's this called? I don't know what this. I forgot what it's called. See, I don't know. In this box, what do we have? We have the power brick. Still called. Instruction manual. And the cable. It is a micro USB. This is how it looks like. That's pretty nice. It's also an alarm clock with music. And I think the music makes the LED light that changes from different music. That's pretty cool. Silicone at the top. You can place your phone down like that. Pretty cool. Let's plug this in and see what it does. Good stuff. Okay. Pretty long. This is pretty cheap, this thing. Pretty cheap. That's how it looks. I plugged in. Pretty cool. Let's see if it charges my phone. Oh, it does. Pretty cool. What says Z? Is it 428 or no? 1031. Is that like instruction? Oh, so this is just an unboxing video. I'll get everything set up, and yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get to 2,000 subscribers by end of this year. Let's make it happen. So yeah, peace off. But I got everything set up, the time set up, and everything. The lights should change and do a dance mode, like the instruction said. That like dances to it. The music, I'll test it out with like no copyright sound music. Most popular, let's do my favorite one. Heroes Tonight. And then I could charge my phone at the same time. Yeah. Pretty cool.